Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Abahub, 2 to 4 person, inflatable camping tent with hand pump. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. ASY and fast installation. No complex pole assembly required, built-in TPU tarpaulin air column design, complete setup in just 5 minutes with the included manual hand pump for hassle-free camping. Excellent ventilation. Features multiple breathable mesh vents for optimal airflow, effectively reducing condensation and stuffiness. Keeps the tent interior fresh, dry, and comfortable all day long. Built-in canopy awning. Designed with an integrated canopy awning, this inflatable tent provides extra shaded outdoor space at the entrance. Ideal for relaxing, cooking and enjoying fresh air without additional tarps or accessories. 210D durable Oxford fabric and silver-coated RAINFLY. Made of thick 210D Oxford cloth with a silver-plated RAINFLY for light rain protection. Not designed for heavy downpours. Spacious 2 to 4 person capacity. Measuring 7.2 x 7.2 x 5.6 feet, this inflatable tent offers ample room for 2 to 4 people. It serves as a roomy 2-person tent or a compact 4-person shelter, lightweight and foldable for family camping, beach trips, picnics and outdoor adventures. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.